Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix AC in a Ford Edge. First, let's cover some basic troubleshooting steps. Begin by checking if your AC compressor clutch engages when you turn on the air conditioning. Next, inspect your cabin air filter. A clogged filter can severely restrict airflow. Finally, it is crucial to verify your refrigerant levels, as low refrigerant is a very common cause of poor cooling performance. Now, let's dive into some common AC problems you might encounter. If your AC is blowing warm air, low refrigerant is a frequent culprit. Another issue could be a faulty blend door actuator, which controls the mix of hot and cold air. Electrical problems, such as a blown fuse or a bad relay, can also prevent your compressor from turning on, leading to no cold air at all. For some issues, you can perform simple do-it-yourself repairs. You can use an AC manifold gauge set to check your system's high and low pressures. If levels are low, carefully recharge the system with the correct R134, a refrigerant. Replacing a clogged cabin air filter is also an easy fix that can dramatically improve your AC's performance and airflow. While many issues can be fixed at home, some problems require professional attention. If you suspect complex electrical issues or a refrigerant leak, it is best to consult a certified technician. They have specialized diagnostic tools to pinpoint exact problems and safely handle refrigerant. Major component replacements, like the AC compressor, are also jobs best entrusted to experienced professionals for proper installation and system integrity.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.